In this video, we will be demonstrating how to rebuild an oversized keyway with Belzona. For this repair, we use Belzona 1111 and a new key to restore the oversized keyway. First, we use Belzona 9411, a release agent, on all surfaces of the key. We prepared the surface using a file and then scored the application area for optimal adhesion. Next, the surface was cleaned to remove any dirt, grease, and other contaminants. After cleaning, the area was taped off. We mixed Belzona 1111 until a uniform material was achieved. A layer of Belzona 1111 was firmly applied to the prepared surface with a stiff bristled brush to avoid any air entrapment. Additional Belzona 1111 was also applied before the key was positioned into the keyway. The key was firmly pressed into the repair area. Then the excess Belzona 1111 was removed. The key was removed to smooth out the keyway repair area. Next, the application area was cleaned and the key was inserted back into the keyway. Our rebuilding solutions for oversized keyways offer simple applications by reducing hot work and downtime.